The Bible is a very incredible book that has inspired so many people for thousands of years. And leaving the Bible for a new convert alone to study it by him or herself alone will be a daunting task for them. So it is very important that we break it down and try to teach them how to study the Bible to their level so that they will understand. So I always teach them that there are some 6 steps that they can follow in order to study the Bible by themselves and get understanding and be blessed by the Lord. One thing that I teach them in how to study the Bible is number one, I try to recommend a very easy and a very good version of the Bible for them that they can easily read and understand. And these versions are number one, the New International Version, which is the NIV, and the New Revised Standard Version. We can also recommend the English Standard Version for them. The next thing that I also teach them is to start always reading the short and easy books in the Bible that is very easy to understand. So I recommend the Gospel of John and also the book of Psalms. These books are very short and easy to understand. The fourth point that I teach them is they should take note as they are reading and studying, and also try to summarize everything that I have read from the Bible in their own words, so it will help them to understand it and also remember what they just read. The third point that I teach them is to set a specific time of the day every morning or evening to read the Bible or study the Bible. Now, the fifth point that I teach them on how to understand the Bible is to seek guidance from trusted Christians, pastors, and also mentors. This will help them try to answer any questions that they have concerning the Bible and anything that they have read that they do not understand. Now, the sixth point is to teach them how to use the Bible tools. What are the Bible tools? The Bible tools are the concordance, the dictionary, and then the commentary. Do not leave your newborn Christian by him or herself to struggle trying to understand the Bible and the tools and how to use them. It will teach them understand the historical and the cultural context of the Bible. Now, lastly, what I teach them to do is to pray for the guidance and the insight of the Holy Spirit as they study the Bible. Thank you and see you. Bye.